Hi, I'm Rod Kurthy, and we're here at the TBSE meeting. And I have my good buddy Mark Colonna, who I've known for
long time.
I actually met him before he was born. I feel like it anyway. Anyway, Mark has been using our system, and if you don't know about Mark, you need to know about Mark because he's one of the most amazing innovators in the field of lasers. Check it out. I mean, Google him.
It's there.
And you're going to be hearing a lot more from him in the future. But what we're here to talk about right now is Mark uses our system in his practice. And Mark, for those watching that, what would you say to dentists who are watching and haven't used our system? What would you tell them?
Well, I think that most dentists' offices, they find systems that they think are going to work, and so they try them, and they cycle through them, and they're not happy, and they have some patients that aren't quite happy, or the results they're not quite getting as stellar as they would like. One of the things we found with your system is that it's consistent, and when it's easy to explain and it's easy to perform, and the science that goes behind what you have developed really does fit the profile of the biology of what we're trying to treat. So my encouragement is that it works because of the research and the science behind it.
You know, thank you.
It does work.
Yeah. Well, you know, a lot of people come up to me and they say, well, you know, what's magic about your, you know, I've heard that you have a system that's like magic. There's no magic fairy dust. It's all based on science. The science is all out there. And what this is just finally getting this science together and utilizing it in a way to make sense. And so thank you for that.
Oh, you're welcome. And it's one of those things that, you know, with confidence when a patient comes in and you're going to start doing the whitening process and the staff knows that they have confidence that they're going to see stellar results in these patients on a consistent basis. So they get excited. And so as far as, you know, the results, it's more important. You know, I always ask this question, Rod. Is it about the outcome or is it about the income? And if you have the outcome and you have a consistent outcome, the income will come. And that's what this will do for you.
Great. Well, thank you very much, and see you later.